Hello. As the number of foreigners residing in Korea increases, there has been a rise in crimes involving foreigners. Today, let's delve into the topic of foreigner-related crimes. Firstly, just like Koreans, foreigners who commit crimes are subject to punishment according to Korean criminal law. First, foreigner crimes. When a foreigner commits a crime or becomes a victim, law enforcement agencies immediately initiate an investigation. The police may request an arrest warrant if necessary. Law enforcement agencies may apply for an arrest warrant considering the severity of the crime and the risk of flight. Secondly, trial. A detained foreigner undergoes prosecution by the prosecutor's office. During the trial, procedures such as witness testimony and evidence submission take place. Koreans also feel nervous when undergoing police investigations before trial. However, for foreigners, unfamiliarity with Korean legal terms may lead to unfavorable statements due to communication barriers. Thirdly, sentencing. Upon conviction, foreigners may receive penalties such as fines or imprisonment. Fourthly, immigration offense examination. The Minister of Justice issues deportation orders or expulsion measures under the Immigration Control Act when a foreigner commits a crime. A foreigner residing in Korea may face deportation if fined over 3 million won, including violations of traffic laws, accumulates fines exceeding 5 million won within the past 5 years, receives penalties of fines twice or more within the past 2 years or 3 times within the past 5 years. Moreover, regardless of the aforementioned penalties, foreigners involved in serious crimes subject to the Special Act on Punishment of Specific Crimes are highly likely to face deportation. For foreigners, the most daunting aspect is not the criminal penalty but the deportation measures taken during the immigration offense examination. To prevent this, it's crucial to minimize the sentence during the criminal punishment stage. Now, let's explore ways in which foreigners can reduce their sentences during criminal punishment. Firstly, legal professionals such as lawyers can provide assistance during police and prosecution investigations, as well as trial proceedings. Before undergoing police investigations, it's essential to assess whether one's actions violate Korean laws. What might be legal overseas could be illegal in Korea. Foreigners have the right to refuse to testify during police investigations, meaning they have the right not to make statements that may incriminate them. Many foreigners often make mistakes or give unfavorable statements under pressure during police investigations. It's advisable to refuse to testify in case of unfavorable statements or leading questions. Furthermore, foreigners undergoing police investigations are entitled to interpretation services. Since most words used during police investigations are legal terms, which even Koreans may find hard to understand, foreigners should request interpretation provided by the investigating agency when being investigated due to a complaint. Rather than undergoing criminal punishment, it's better to reach an agreement with the victim. The best scenario is when the victim withdraws the complaint. Even if that's not possible, reaching a partial agreement through a settlement can lead to a reduction in penalties. This can help avoid deportation during the subsequent immigration offense examination. In unfortunate cases where foreigners are falsely accused in Korea, it's essential to focus on revealing the truth with the help of professionals. Emotional appeals alone are not accepted during the criminal investigation stage. Necessary evidence related to the complaint, along with evidence supporting one's claims, should be secured, and active participation in investigations and trials is crucial. Today, we've explored what foreigners should do if they are accused or involved in lawsuits in Korea. It can be distressing for foreigners residing in Korea to face the complexities of criminal punishment and immigration offense examinations. We hope swift action in criminal cases can help avoid deportation measures during immigration offense examinations. If you need assistance due to involvement in foreigner-related crimes, please contact the below number. We wish you a safe stay. Thank you.